Running multiple brands and tired of juggling creators, editors, and tools? I just found an AI that gives you studio quality ads and a full-time spokesperson, all under £99 a month. Introducing Creatify. Creatify is the new AI tool that helps you create ad videos that actually convert. Click the link down in the description, create your free account, and follow along with me. When you create your account, you will see your dashboard to look something like that. In the top, you have the option to create AI video ads or avatar videos. To the left side, you can see that you have a folder for the avatars that Creatify already created. And you can also use or you can create your own avatar based on your own design. Next, you have projects. Here, you'll see all the projects you created with Creatify, and you can choose between Aurora Avatar, AI video ads, avatar video, product video, VO3 ads, image ads, AI shorts, and you can even do a batch mode. And then you have smart assets, which here you can add your own products, collections, so you can customize the result from Creatify, branded for your own services and products, and then your analytics. Let me show you how easy it is to build your own VO3 ad video. Let's do it together. Click VO3 ads and follow along with me. Let's say, for example, I want to create something for dogs. Let's choose this cute dog watching TV. And here you can upload your own product image. Let's do it together. I downloaded an example of a dog tree just to show you how it works. I uploaded the image. I will write the name of the brand, for example, sweet potato, product title, and a description. Once you've filled the fields, just generate the video. Now, let's do another example. Let's do our own avatar. Click on the menu Avatars and choose the option Create Avatar. Then click Design Your Own Avatar, and let's do it together. First of all, let's say that I want my avatar to be a male. Apply this prompt, and now I'm going to choose male, young adult, multiracial outfit. You can do whatever outfit you want. You know what? Maybe I want it more casual, more formal. Then you have here more details if you want. You can add, remove, edit, whatever you desire, and generate. And once you have your avatar ready, you can even choose their own background. For example, I want this one with this background. And I can even choose their voice and accent. Creatify has the ability to create such realistic avatars because of their Aurora model. Now, what's this Aurora model? Basically, Aurora generates lifelike talking avatars from just a single image, like you've seen, and it doesn't require any training. It captures emotion, subtlety, and realism that outperforms every other model on the market. And this is perfect for creators, marketers, and brands who want expressive storytelling at scale. And you can use Aurora for podcasts, character animations, talking reps, or even single avatars. One tool, limitless formats. And then you have VO3, which is what we've done together previously. You can choose from over 500 ad styles tailored for performance. Your ads look professionally shot with cinematic visuals and synced audio. No editing, no apps, just scroll-stopping quality. And it's proven to increase ROS and reduce CPA. And you may be wondering why Creatify is #1 for scaling without the cost. It's because you have batch mode for generating multiple ad variants instantly, a built-in scriptwriter, voiceover, avatars, and a music library all in one. And not just that, you have multilingual support and export-ready formats for Meta, TikTok, YouTube, and more. No cameras, no studios, no freelancers, just results. You want studio-quality ads and a full-time brand avatar without the cost? Try Creatify's VO3 and DIY today. It's the fastest way to scale your brand visuals across every store. Thank you for watching this, Sergey. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and leave any questions you may have down in the comments, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.